burping on demand. Part 1. Nice. I heard that go down. Nice. Pretty good burps. We're pro burpers. MLB. Not Major League Baseball. Major League Burpers.
What was that?
Did you hear that go down?
Yeah.
I got a little catalyst going on over here. Oh. Nice. I have a big one coming. It's hitting my stomach. Oh.
Oh. Oh, it hurts.
Yeah, my stomach hurts. I think we're done burping, aren't we?